Hi, I am Masako. I'm from Japan. I grown up in Japan. Kyomei is a Japanese word meaning resonate. Then I use these titanium sticks to stroke all your body from the head to your toe. Then when I feel some blockage or some point, I give you some pressure with sticks. Then actually in Japan they don't call this treatment Kyomei treatment. They call sympathy. What is the benefit for Kyomei? Its big things is removing toxin from your body, including electromagnetic wave, because there's a lot of electric product everywhere, and also Wi-Fi. Then also making chi flow, that is make your blood circulation better. Also reducing pain like shoulder pain or backache or even headache. Then also removing blockages, then that make emotionally balanced. Then of course promoting deep relaxation. This is very new treatment, and a lot of people said it's very different and it's unique. So I want you to try this session. I'll be here, Life Co Phuket. So I'm looking forward to see you here. Then you can relax.